Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get into a ton of reviews, hauls, and health tips. So please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you are already loving that. And let's get straight into today's video. I feel so blessed right now to be able to do a video like this, as I was gifted from a juice company called Yae Organics. Shout out to Yae Organics. Thank you so much for sending me all of these items that I'm about to showcase to you guys. I am just like over the moon about them, and after having tried them, I am even more excited to spread the love and share these products with you guys. So I'm going to start with the powders. I was sent 3 different powders and then some immunity ginger shots, which are these personal packets. So let's just get started. This is one of the bottles. This is the beets. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. You're probably like, yuck, I don't like beets. I'm able to take this down personally without an issue. Now, you guys can always put this in a smoothie. You can put this in juice, and that could really like take away the harsh taste. What Yae Organics are different powders without the fuss, and I love that, because I don't know about y'all, but if y'all ever try to juice yourself, it's literally hectic. Okay, it's crazy, it's very hard, and it's just like, it's messy. Like after you're done, you have to clean it up every single time. It's not that it's hard, it's just time consuming. It leaves a mess. It makes you uninspired to even want to do it. I mean, at least this is how I feel, so let me just talk for me, okay? So Yae Organics came up with these powders that are just so easy to like put a scoop of it in water and go about your day. So this is like the scooper, and you just like put it in, mix it on up, as I will show right here, and you get a beautiful juice that you can drink in like 2 seconds flat. I love that. So quick, it's on the go. They even have like on the go packets that you could just like take with you, dump in like a water bottle, shake it up and go. So yeah, this is vegan, it's raw, it's organic, it's non-GMO, it's nut-free, it's dairy-free, and it's gluten-free, and most of all, black owned. Okay, yes, this is a black owned product, and I'm just like, I love that. I love to see my people just out here doing what they do and thriving, okay? So this organic beet juice powder, along with the other powders, looks like this comes in a 12 ounce, 3 ounce, or you can get a case of it. This is the 12 ounce, 40 servings. Like, for the price, this is $24.99. Like, you guys, that is like, look how large this is. I wish I had another thing to compare it to, but this is a great price for how much you get inside of this container. Wow, he's really been able to like break down the expensive cost for us, and I mean, he's got a customer out of me for life, and I hope that you guys try it as well. So that is the beet one. I want to share the greens, because you guys know I am the greens queen, okay? I love a good green powder, a green juice, and I struggle with finding really good greens. After trying this, it is called Tasty Greens, because it is just that, it's tasty, okay? It's made with apple and dandelion leaf. No artificial additives or preservatives, 100% plant-based. This is so good. 9 superfoods, 8 grams of net carbs, prebiotics, 0 added sugar. This is a 30 servings, 15.87 fluid ounces. Like, this is... And what's crazy is, like, it's not so sweet, but it just has like, it still tastes like greens. I don't have a problem drinking any kind of greens, but this is like, I drank this and I was like, this feels like a dessert to me from what I'm used to drinking when it comes to greens. So again, y'all, Yae Organics is really doing it with this. And if you're someone who struggles with getting your greens in and you struggle with the taste, I would recommend this for sure. This one is $40 in this particular size, and then you can get a pack of 3 as well. So moving on to the third bottle, which is the hydration and electrolytes. When I saw this even on his site, I was like, oh, I absolutely need this. I am always looking for a way to stay hydrated, get my electrolytes. I drink a ton of water. I love to constantly clean my system out. So this I knew I needed to have. This says it promotes energy and vitality, promotes muscle recovery, optimal hydration, and there's 0 added sugar. Again, no artificial additives, preservatives, no colors or sweeteners. It's just like a white, getting powder everywhere. It's just a white powder that you just mix into your drinks. Sorry, it's so bright. Just a white powder you mix into your drinks, and yeah, I think you could put it in. I want to try this in coffee, but that was recommended on the back. This is a 14.12 ounce bottle. It's $34.99. Y'all need to pick this stuff up. Like, the price is good, the taste is there, like the longevity and what it does to the body. Like, you're going to thank yourself later. I tried all of these when I first got them, and I was like full after trying them. It suppressed my appetite, which I'm really, I'm always looking for juices to like do that. The last thing I received are a bunch of little packets of ginger, cayenne, and lemonade immunity shots. So smart. Like, this is so smart. I love taking ginger shots. Let's be honest, like, sometimes it's hard to like get to your local juice place and go there and get a shot. Like, it's great to have these small packets that you just pour into water, mix it up, and just go. Like, he really thought about the innovation of like the on-the-go person and how they can really still be healthy and get all of the things that their body needs while not having to be stressed on how to get it. Like, I can literally take all of this stuff at some way, some form. I could put it in my water bottles and go. I love that this itself is you tear this off, but this is still a Ziploc packet. Like, so smart. I love smart, innovative design, especially being a designer. I have a very huge appreciation for that. So I love these packets already. It says that it supports defense against cold and viruses, natural energy, and the cayenne helps boost metabolism for weight loss. So you can get a sample packet. You could get 10 or 24. So that's it looks like, I've got a whole bunch here, but that's how it works on the site. 10 packs are $20, 24 packs are $29.99. Like, come on, this is just, and if you sign up for email, you get 20% off your first purchase. Like, hello, what more do you need? Like, go on the site and buy it. As you can see, I'm just like excited. I love talking to you guys about this stuff, and I love when I get brands that do come to me and they're like amazing. This is literally not sponsored. I'm not being forced to create this video whatsoever. I chose to because, first of all, Black owned, so I'm going to support, period. Second of all, the products are amazing. So with that being said, I'll have everything in the description box below for you. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, or anything that you wanted me to personally ask the company, I'm happy to do that for you guys as well. That being said, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your support. Like, truly, it means the world to me. I'll catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.